Y'all, what's good, y'all? It's Chopper here. Y'all know what's up, man. Y'all know what's going on. This is another Chopper racing video. Y'all know, listen, I told y'all it's coming back to back. The videos is going to drop. We're going to get the vlogs, even though it's cold as hell here in New York. But today, I got a steering wheel for the EG Coupe, the green one. So, we're going to work on that. I also bought a quick release for it. I got them both for NRG, and I think it look fire. Let me show you guys real quick what the steering wheel look like. So here it is. Ooh wee! I got the suede, deep corn with the red stitching. What y'all think about this wheel? I can't wait to see it on. And I got the NRG quick release. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I got my boy working already, my boy Franfu. Let's see what up to Franfu, everybody. Up? Yeah, you see what's up, man. We already working here. I also bought this thing right here, the wiper switch, because I'm having an issue with mine. It's a little bit like flimsy, so we'll be switching that out too. And another thing, let me show you guys something very important when doing these aftermarket wheels. You guys see this right here? This is called a horn shoe. So when installing your aftermarket steering wheel with the quick release, you need some way for it to make contact electronically for the horn to work. And this is the little tool that you're gonna need for that. I'm not quite sure the part number on this, but I'll probably put it in the link in the I'll put a link of it in the description below. But you guys need this for the horn to work. So I'll be showing you guys how to mount this and how to connect it to make sure your horn works. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with y'all. Let me show you that little horseshoe that I was telling y'all about working with the hub. So when you do the aftermarket wheel, you see these NRG hubs. They come with this metal plate on the back. That's what transfers the current to the horn. This basically is what makes the horn works. But in order to get the horn to work, there's a relay for the horn under the dash, and you got to jump one of those wires to this little horseshoe right here. So the way you do that is, let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. Okay, so there's this little relay right under here, right? With a plug. Let me unplug it for you guys. Okay, so this plug here comes from that horn relay. You have to jump a wire from the blue wire that has like the burgundy dots on it. There's a blue and red wire. That one you don't touch. And you're gonna jump a wire from there and loop it up. Once you loop the wire up, you're gonna have this little horseshoe. There's screws on these wipers and the headlight switches. What I did was I bolted it down to one of the headlight little screws here that hold the switch assembly. And if you can see, this little horseshoe has it's like tents. So the hub is actually gonna sit on this and spin and make the contact for the horn to work. So let me just slide the hub on. The hub goes on something like this. Try to do this here. Alright, so the hub goes on like that, and there goes the horseshoe, making that contact on the metal of the hub. So without this, it's gonna be hard to make your horn work. I mean, a lot of people do it with a hanger, but this is an actual OEM Honda part. I guess it's from one of the Japanese cars, and it's sturdy there, so it should work. So now that I showed you guys how to get the horn to work, let me get back to putting everything together, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so the installed steering wheel is done with the quick release, and even the horn works, so I know you guys can hear that. What y'all think about it? What you guys think? You know what I mean? Not only does the wheel look fire, but I also got some knee room right here for my knees, so it actually serves a purpose also, the wheel. And remember, the more comfortable you are, the better you could drive. You know what I'm saying? So this is not only a cosmetic looking thing, it's also very functional. So I mean, I like the way it looks. The suede is super comfortable. And let me see if I can take this off. It's hard to do with one hand, but let me see if I can. Oh, right there. So the wheel come off. Everything looks pretty much fresh factory. You know what I mean? So, what do you guys think? How do you guys think it came out? There's one thing I noticed with these deep corn wheels. The signal, for you to click the signal, it seems a little bit far, so you got to get a little used to it. But other than that, it feels hella comfortable. Remember, the wheels are a little bit closer to your body, so you can sit a bit back and still have full control of your wheel, you know? It's definitely more comfortable. Has one of these wheels? Comment below, man. I want to see who else is using one of these. This little single, it be picking up, man. It be surprising me sometimes. Yeah. Let me show you guys what the wheel look like from outside. So this is what it looks like from outside of the car. You know, maybe this is a better view for you guys. They look fire, especially with the rust stitching. So this is it right here. It look fire. I think it looks so dope with the wheel and then the shifter. All I'm missing is the seats, which that's coming soon. So I don't know. Comment below what seats you guys think I should put. All right, before you guys click off this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and show me love, share. I've been appreciating all the views. I see everything on YouTube. I answer every comment, man. I appreciate y'all. So I feel like it's only right that I have to answer to you guys and reply. You know what I'm saying? But I do it out of love, you know, because sometimes you write on people's YouTube channels and you won't even get a response, you know what I'm saying? So I'm doing something different. I'm really trying to be here for you guys, and I appreciate every single thing you guys do. I also got a new podcast coming. It's dropping next Sunday. I have a whole nother YouTube channel for that. I'll speak more in depth of it on the next vlog when we finish up the coilover installation that we're doing on the next one. But we're gonna talk about that. The podcast is called the Chopper Hour Podcast, and it's just like a raw, uncut, uncensored conversations about life. And on every episode, I'll bring one of my friends, and we're gonna talk about different things going on in life, and just enlighten people and try to, you know, motivate and educate too at the same time. So anyway, without taking more of y'all time, I'll see y'all on the next one. Love every single one of y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. It's lit.